Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your VPN isn't working with Prime Video, blocked content, errors or wrong region, it's usually because Prime Video detects and restricts VPN traffic. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix VPN not working on Prime Video in 2026. Simple and effective. So you have to know that Prime Video actively blocks many VPNs, okay? Licensing rules limits contents by region, and some VPN servers are flagged and restricted, okay? So first thing you can do is try a different server, okay? So switch to another server in the same country. Like some servers are blocked, others may work, okay? You can also use a high quality VPN provider, okay? Choose a VPN known for streaming support. Better providers rotate IPs to avoid detection, okay? You can clear cache and cookies. Like if you are using Android or TV, go to settings, go to applications and Prime Video and then tap clear cache. Browser clear cache and cookies. It removes stored location data. You can disable location services like turn off GPS location permissions for Prime Video, so it prevents location mismatch. You can log out and back in, like log out of Prime Video and reconnect VPN. Log in back and this refreshes region detection, okay? Use browser instead of app, like try Prime Video in a web browser, sometimes less strict than apps, okay? You can disable IPv6, like turn off IPv6 in your network settings. It prevents IP leaks, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.